Okay, so boys and girls, today we're going to do some phonogram practice. And you might be thinking, Mrs. Smith, why do I need to know these phonograms? Well, I'm going to tell you. So when you get to a word that you don't know, using the phonograms can help you sound out those words. Does that sound like it might be very helpful? Yes. And another reason is, how many of you know, a lot of you, especially going into 3rd grade, are reading chapter books, right? Yes. And if you get to a big word in a chapter book that you don't know, finding the phonograms within those bigger words can help you figure those words out a little bit easier. So if you know that you see 2 phonograms in a big word, it can make it easier for you to be able to sound those words out. So we have a learning target for today. And our learning target is, I will be able to identify. Identify just means look at it and know what it is. So I will be able to identify single letter phonograms, which means these phonograms only have 1 letter to them, by practicing them out loud and then writing them on my paper. Are you with me on that? Okay. And our other learning target is, I will be able to sound out and write words using the phonograms that I have practiced. So those are the 3 things that we're going to practice today that I already told you. We are going to say our phonograms, then we're going to write them, and then we're going to write words with those phonograms. Finger on your nose if you think you can do that with me. Excellent. Can I have you all make sure that you are facing me and that you see me? And the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to say the sound, and as I say the sound, I'm going to put my fingers up here, and this is going to tell you how many sounds that letter has. So if I put this many fingers up, how many sounds, show me with your fingers, how many sounds does that letter have? 3, it's going to have 3. So these are going to have different sounds. Some will have 3, some will have 2, some will only have 1. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so your job is to be really good listeners and repeat what I say. Here we go. Oh, what? My turn. A, ah.
Ah.
Good. Let's try that one more time.
Ah.
Perfect. Nice job. Don't say anything yet. Nope. My turn. Try that again. So we're making sure we're saying them all together. Okay? Now make sure when we say this, it's not duh. That's not the sound D makes. It makes d. You don't even, do you see my lips moving? D. Okay, all right. Okay, stop. We're gonna try that again. D. Try it one more time. Good. I think we all know that one. That one's pretty easy. My turn. Good. J. Try it one more time. Good. J. Now I'm kind of hearing guh. It's not guh. It's just g. Kind of like the what we do that we just did. We're not really moving our lips. It's g. J. Okay. All right. Let's try it again. Good. Nope. My turn first. Ready? Good. J. My turn. Ah, oh, ooh.
Ah, oh, ooh.
Okay, this one's kind of tricky. This one, we have some words that we say with it. And it is, Q is always written with a U, and we say qua. Okay, so we're gonna break that down a little bit. So repeat after me. Q is, nope, you're gonna repeat. I'm gonna say it first. Q is always written with a U.
Q is always written with a U.
And we say qua.
And we say qua.
Try it one more time. Q is always written with a U.
Q is always written with a U.
And we say qua.
And we say qua.
U is not a vowel here.
U is not a vowel here.
Ooh, that's a long one. Should we try it one more time? Okay, so I'm going to repeat. I'm going to say it, you repeat, and then we'll say it all together. Ready? Q is always written with a U.
Q is always written with a U.
And we say qua.
And we say qua.
U is not a vowel here.
U is not a vowel here.
All together? Q is always written with a U, and we say qua. U is not a vowel here. Say it one more time. Q is always written with a U, and we say qua. U is not a vowel here. That one's kind of tough. That's good. Nice job. Let's try it one more time. Now that you guys have learned them, let's try it one more time. Ready? Now remember, Mrs. Smith says it first, and then you repeat. Ready? And watch my fingers for how many sounds that letter has. Ready? A, A, O. Mrs. Smith first. A, A, A.
A-A-R.
D,
D.
G, J.
G.
Try it one more time. G, J.
G.
A, O, U.
R-O-U.
A, O, A, O, U.
R-O-U.
A, O, U.
R-O-U.
Q is always written with a U, and we say qua. U is not a vowel here. Q is always written with a U, and we say qua.